Today we're gonna learn about hello Rickroll, maybe just hello Rickroll. This is just the second part because the video was unfortunately too long and
So this is the part two.
Yeah.
In this part, Neal will do the practice and make his own first Python programming.
yeah. We would highly recommend you to watch the past videos.
At least watch the part one of this video first. So it has all the information. You can just click the link on the top right of the corner.
So let's start.
So now this one is finished installation. This one is finished. If we do Python 3 version here, it will give you the version 3.9.6 on your computer.
Okay.
So it's okay, it's still Python 3 something. You did it.
So
Create a folder, and then what project do you want to do? You create a folder.
Okay.
What's the first project you want to do? What's the name? No spaces. Use the snake case to name your folder. Snake case is just use the underscore. Replace the spaces.
What's the this?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just say what? Code. Good. So you go inside, you can create your first project folder.
Okay.
Then you can create another folder for a new project.
So I'll just call it project 1.
It's up to you. Yeah.
Okay, then I double press.
You just return.
Okay.
Now you can open this project in the editor. Say open folder.
This one?
Yep. Yeah, trust.
How about this?
Yeah, all of the files. Yeah, that's all your files. Now you can create a file, create a Python file. Yeah. Type the name.
Okay. And it's gonna be .py.
Okay. Create file, yeah. Now you can do your coding. You try print something. See, with the plugin, it will remind you how to type things, right?
Do I use the brackets again?
Yes. There's no space here as well. Brackets follow the print. There's no space. So if it's a string, how do you make it a string? You can't just type English in coding straight away. You can just that's a trick. You can choose everything here, and then you do it will do it for you. That's why we use the editor. So the editor will help you to.
So do I get started?
Yeah, you need to save first. You see the dot here? It means it's not saved yet. So how do you save it?
I'm gonna write it.
Yeah, how do you save this code?
Shall you press the white line?
No.
Oh, yeah, the
It's
white
very close.
line.
Command and S. save, Command S, Command save, yes? So it's saved.
Okay.
How do you run it now? Go to your terminal.
Okay.
Yeah. So find the folder first. Where is your folder? Like use the CD command to find your folder. So I teach another command. It's called ls. It's like list. So when you ls, you can see all the folders in the current folder. And the other command is called pwd. Let's see where you are at now. Okay, so ls and pwd, you can see basically where you are at and what are the folders in your current place. Now you can use cd space. Now see the documents is just in this current folder. The uppercase and lowercase matters, so you need to use the correct cases. Yeah. You don't have to type everything. Once you type something you think it's enough, you can press this tab. It will finish for you. See? And then you enter return. Yeah, it's okay. Now you can ls again and check what's in this folder. ls list ls. Yeah, there are your folders. Okay. So which folder do you want to go in? Yes. Yeah, you don't need to type everything. Remember, you can use what to help you. Yeah. Now what's in this folder? If you can remember, you don't need to do ls. Yeah. You can just cd straight away. Not cd. Where is the cd?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't have to type everything. Remember. Yeah. Now you're in. Now you can run your code. Python 3, right?
Yeah.
So the command is basically Python 3, and then you pass the file to the command, and it will run it for you. Same, you can use tab to help you. You don't have to type everything. No, you need to. So if you don't pass the file, you will enter the Python command line, and then you can do some coding here even. So if you print something here, you can experiment your things. That's also okay. Yeah. So that's how you get into the Python command line. But if you want to go out, you say quit. Okay. Now, if you want to run the file, you just return. How do you do it? See, it's already done. You tap and it helps for you. Because this is the only file in this folder. If you tap, it will say, "Oh, I want to find a file in this folder." But there's only one. That's.
Can you return?
No, you can't have two file names here. You only have one file name. Okay. Now you return. It will print whatever you write. Congratulations, you've done your first program. The real one.
But how do we do like images?
No, that's the thing. There's no images here now. You haven't learned everything to be able to do images. So you can, it's like you can do your book writing with code, and then it can even interact with your readers. So if you want to give this to your schoolmates, you start the program, ask them to start to input things, it will do things for you, right? He's trying to Rickroll everyone watching this video. Yeah, that's good enough for today. Yeah, cool. So homework. You need to do some homework now since you know how to write code. Watch all our previous videos and try all those things in your code project. Okay? Is that better than just theory stuff? Now
Yeah.
you can do stuff with your own computer.
And now I can Rickroll.
You can use this to record all your friends.
But Rickroll has to be a link.
No, it doesn't have to be. This is just a thing on your computer. Once we teach you how to do,
Sound effects.
websites or all those things, then you can send the link to your friends, and then they can
Click it
See-
and get
yeah.
Rickrolled.
see your program. Okay, that's very far away still. So for now, you can play with your
Okay.
writing first until you are ready. We can do something else. But still, even with the writing, you can be very creative already. So
Can we
Remember-
do like copy pasting the writing?
that's something you need to learn next, which is the loop. So you can loop this thing and make it go again. Yeah. So that's something else you need to learn. That's why you need to learn the series. Otherwise, if you don't have the series, you can't do all those. Yeah. Yeah, you can copy paste as well. You can find this online and copy paste into the SAS string. Okay, that's your homework. You can play all these by yourself. But remember, if it's a long string, how do you do it? If it's a long string with a lot of lines, you can't do it this way. It will be broken. How do you make a long string? That's something we have learned before. How do you do that? Yeah? How do you do a long string?
So God.
You need to do 3 quotes. 1, 2, 3.
That's one.
3, yeah, 3 quotes, and then you end it with 3 quotes. That's a long string. Remember to save. How do you save? Yeah. So now if you run it, so to run the same command, you don't have to type every time. You just press the up button.
Mm-hmm.
It will type for you. It will remember your last command.
I want to get you.
Yeah. Cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
Now you can do some if else here, right? You can use the input to get something from the user. If they answer the wrong question, maybe in your else you just say Rickroll your. There are a lot of interesting things you can do. You can be very creative. You don't have to have the graphic. Even with text and writing, you can do a lot of interesting things already. Because we all have imaginations, right? We know when we see this text, the music will hit us in our brain. We will do the imaginations graphic in our brain. That's already good enough. Don't you think? Yeah?
Okay.
Cool.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna show this to my friends.
Yeah. So now you need to go to sleep. It's 10:30. It's too late.
Bye.